Hey guys, we're in the shop right now, but we're still working on our bathroom project. We're working with the electric radiant heat, and right now it's installed and it's drying, so we can't be in the bathroom. We used a product called WarmlyYours. WarmlyYours makes electric radiant heat products, snow melt and ice and roof melting type systems. But what they're really known for is electric floor heating, and we used it, and we used it underneath our tile. We used what's called a TempZone custom fit mat. What that means is my mat that we just installed is custom made for my bathroom. All the nooks and crannies, it's all cut out and all made. Take it out of the box, put it on the floor, install it. So we did that. We basically had a plan. Part of that plan is making a drawing. I did a drawing and I sent it to WarmlyYours, and within a day or less I got an email back with the drawing back from their experts. The beauty of that is you have somebody who knows what they're doing, who deals with this product on a daily basis, look at your project, basically eyeballs on your project. They figure out stuff, they notice things you don't notice, and then they give you a drawing back. I confirm my measurements and I placed the order. So we had a plan. Part of that plan also involves an electrician. When you do electric heat, you have to have a power feed for that floor heat, a dedicated 20 amp circuit, and it'll be GFI protected, and you also have a place for a thermostat. So I put all my stuff in one spot, and obviously my heat mats have their feeds in that spot as well because it's a custom product. They figure all this stuff out for you. So that's really, really nice. And then once it comes, you obviously have to do a dry fit, and we did that. We dry fit the mats onto the floor, made sure it laid out just right. The beauty of the mats is they only go where you walk. They don't go into the toilet, they don't go into the tub, they don't go into the vanity. They only go in the walking areas and the areas where you're going to be walking in your bare feet. So we installed it. We installed the electric mat onto the subfloor with thinset. We use a trowel, quarter-inch trowel, notch trowel. We install the thinset, and you basically laminate right down onto the subfloor. You fold the mat over itself, laminate it, and work your way down the mat. And then you use a float trowel just to kind of make sure that it is completely adhered in all surfaces down onto the subfloor. And what we did on our particular job is we laminated it to the subfloor, and then we applied thinset, a smooth coat with just a flat edge trowel over the mat. Let that dry, and we come back at another time and we install our tiles. So a couple of things I just want to mention about the system we're using. The one thing I like about this whole WarmlyYours product is they come with this 24/7 technical assistance. And I deal with the manager, he's a project manager, Matt Caruso. The guy is a stud. He's a rock star. He solves problems, he answers questions, he anticipates issues. He's great. I've dealt with him a couple times on multiple different projects, and he's always had the answer to an issue or a problem. So that, to me, as a contractor, that saves time. So if you're going to do this electric radiant heat, pick a company that has this kind of technical assistance, that has experts answering your questions and having eyeballs on your project. Also, make sure that you go with a programmable thermostat, because a programmable thermostat is basically, it makes your system efficient and smart. The system turns on when you need it and turns on when you're not home. Or you can leave it at low temperatures when you're not home, or whatever you need to do. And lastly, you want to look at warranties and make sure that the company you choose has a no-nonsense warranty. WarmlyYours has a no-nonsense warranty where they'll even replace the flooring if it's their fault, if there's a product, their product fails. Most companies will just give you a new heat mat, and that's no good. Who wants that? So, have a plan. Get your electrician involved in that plan. Pick a product from a company that is quality and that has a great warranty and folks working for you, basically, on your project. And make sure that you get a programmable thermostat. And you're going to have a really nice warm floor, radiant floor heat. On the next video, we're going to talk about the tile installation and getting ready for a glass wall, a glass shower wall. See you at the next video. Take care.